everyone, I'm Adele. On this occasion, I will tell you a horror story entitled Shadows in the Dark. Welcome to Shadows in the Dark, where we explore stories that make your skin crawl and send shivers down your spine. Tonight, I have a tale that has haunted a small town for generations. It's called The Whispering Woods. Deep in the heart of the countryside, there is a dense forest that the locals avoid at all costs. It's said that once you enter the Whispering Woods, you never leave the same. People have disappeared, and those who've returned, well, they're never quite right. But what makes this forest so terrifying isn't what you see, it's what you hear. Our story begins with a young woman named Mia. She had just moved to town, unaware of the legends that surrounded the forest. One evening, she decided to take a walk, hoping to clear her mind after a stressful day. The sun was setting, and she found herself drawn toward the edge of the woods. The trees, tall and ancient, seemed to beckon her. Ignoring the unease growing in her chest, she stepped into the forest. At first, everything seemed normal, just the sound of leaves crunching under her feet and birds calling in the distance. But as Mia ventured deeper, the air grew colder, and the sounds of nature faded into silence. That's when she heard it, a whisper. Faint at first, like the wind through the branches, but it was unmistakable. "Come closer," the voice called. Mia stopped, her heart pounding. She looked around, but there was no one in sight. She told herself it was just her imagination. Maybe the wind playing tricks on her, but the whispers continued, soft and urgent. "We're waiting." Her breath caught in her throat as the whispers grew louder, as if they were coming from all directions. They weren't just voices, they were calling her name. "Mia, Mia, come to us." Panic set in. She turned around, ready to run, but the path she had taken had vanished. The trees seemed to have shifted, trapping her in labyrinths of shadows. The whispers were closer now, right in her ear. "Stay with us forever." Desperate, Mia bolted through the forest, her heart racing, the whispers chasing her every step. She could feel cold fingers brushing her skin, though no one was there. Every direction she turned, the trees blocked her way, as if they were alive, pushing her deeper into the woods. After what felt like hours of running, Mia stumbled out of the forest. Gasping for air, she looked back, expecting to see someone or something following her, but the forest stood still and silent, as though nothing had happened. She made her way home, shaken but relieved to be out of the woods. That night, as she lay in bed, Mia told herself it was just her mind playing tricks on her. But when she closed her eyes, she heard it again, a whisper, faint but unmistakable, coming from the dark corner of her room. "We're not done with you yet." Mia never went near the forest again, but the whispers never left her. Even in the safety of her home, late at night, she could still hear them, soft, sinister, waiting for the day she would return. Some say the forest wants something from those who enter, and once it has your name, it never lets you go. Thanks for listening to Shadows in the Dark. If you're feeling brave, why not take a walk in the woods? But remember, if you hear a whisper, don't answer. Until next time, sleep tight.